The swiftest nibbling little mouse has made its home within my house. I set a trap, both night and day, to try and catch it if I may, this nibbling little mouse. Today, when writing at my desk, out it came to make a quest. It ran around with so much glee, seemed not a bit afraid of me. This nibbling little mouse. Straight away I rose and got my broom, to chase the creature from the room. Round and round it scampered fast. Trying to catch, I darted past this nibbling little mouse. We kept the chase up half an hour, until I felt I'd lost all power to chase behind it anymore. So left it prattling on the floor, this nibbling little mouse. All tired out, I then sat down, and soon within a study brown, I thought of phantoms as they pass, and how through life we chase them as this nibbling little mouse. Yes, all through life we find it so, chasing shadows as we go. We almost catch them, but alas, they baffle us and slip on as this nibbling little mouse.